Hey there and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the currency in the Temu app on your Android phone. If you're shopping on Temu and the prices don't match your preferred currency, don't worry. This quick guide will help you update it step by step. First, open the Temu app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap the profile icon. Then, once your profile page opens, click the settings icon in the top right. After that, tap on currency to see the available currency options. If you don't find the currency you need, go back to the settings menu. Now tap on country and region. Choose a country that uses your desired currency. For example, if you want to use USD, select United States. Once selected, tap Switch to this country. Return to the currency settings, and now you should see the currency you're looking for. That's it. Now your Temu app will display prices in your chosen currency. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more simple tech tutorials.